Hello? 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 Wow, it's been a long time. Hey y'all, guess what? I'm hopping across the pond. Yes, I'm serious. I'm so excited to share with you that I am going to be in the UK this August for PlannerFest. When I was asked, I didn't even think I was a thing anymore. So I am super excited and honored to be joining y'all this year, August 22nd, 2020. Mark it in your planners because y'all are all planner people. Save the date. This is the only time I'm coming over, okay, this year. I might come over another year, but this year, this is the only time I'll be visiting the UK. So please, all my friends, I probably know your circles on the interwebs, but I wanna see your faces in real life. That would be so wonderful. Where is it gonna be? I'm so glad you asked. It's going to be in the northwestern part of the UK in Greater Manchester. I really hope you can make it. The actual venue will be announced on the PlannerFest website. The website, they have an Instagram, they have a Facebook, all the social media outlets. I will link all of those down below so that you can go follow them. If you're in the UK area, if you didn't even know that there was a festivus of planner people, now you know. And I'm gonna be there. I'm gonna be hosting a workshop, be a part of a panel, and there's some other fun things that are gonna be happening. So please, please, follow everything and stay updated. It's gonna be super fun and I'm so excited to be joining y'all this August. I'll see you there. Bye. Oh, I forgot my name. Northwestern? Yeah, West, Greater Manchester. It's in Greater Manchester, Northwestern. Okay.